Hello friends, good evening. Swastik here again back with a daily market update. So before starting, I would like to request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel here for daily regular updates, as I have been providing daily updates from since few days last. So it will be very helpful to you if you subscribe this. So let's start with our daily Nifty market update. So here is the daily chart of the Nifty. Today Nifty opened at 11,513 and closed at 11,472. Though from open to close it's just mere I'm so sorry, just from yesterday's close to today's close is merely 5 point movement. But if we see an hourly chart, we will see many things has happened today. It opened actually above 11,500, but it was not able to sustain that, and it fell down from the next hour of the market only, and it gradually fell, and it closed at 11,479, which is below 11,500. It seems that 11,500 is having a very good resistance in the market. The bears are not allowing the market to cross 11,500 easily, but I can assure you that the moment 11,500 is crossed, then we can see a very good move in the uptrend. So let's change, as we have only 2 days left for the expiry. Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So let's change the support and bring it to this. The support now which I will be looking at is 11,360, and the upper support remains the same for me. That's 11,000. Just a moment. 11,589 will be the support for me. If I see the moving average for the day, though it closed above the moving average, 11,343 is the 11-day moving average now. So this 11-day moving average will also be a very strong support for the market. I really don't think the market will fall below 11,343 this expiry. Let's see the option chain now. So option chain is suggesting the more or less the same thing what it was showing yesterday. 11,000 has the highest OI. After that 11,400. Okay, fine. Today 11,400 has got the highest OI, and in the chart also the support which I bought, it's around 11,360. So we can take 11,400 as the good support for the lower side, and in the upper side if we see 11,500 has the highest open interest. After that 11,800, and then 11,600. So let's see the PCR now and the option pane. The option pane is at 11,400, which is the same as that of yesterday. And let's see the put call ratio. The put call ratio is 1.26, which is still a bullish one. So friends, let's see the stock for tomorrow, and let's see how the stocks which I have given has performed today. So the stocks which was given by me yesterday were Jubilant Foodwork, Adani Enterprise, and Bajaj Finance. Unfortunately, Adani Enterprise and Bajaj Finance, the stop loss was hit, but in Jubilant Foodwork the entry price didn't get triggered. So today we have 2 calls, and both went in loss. For tomorrow, I will again suggest Bajaj Finance to sell at 3678, Havels India to sell at 670, and Tata Chemicals to sell at 337. And these are the respective stop losses. For Bajaj Finance, it's 3,788. In Havels India, it's 690, and in Tata Chemicals, it's 347. And the targets are, for Bajaj Finance, it's 3,457. In Havels India, it's 630. And in Tata Chemicals, it's 316.95. I will request you all to be very strict on that stop loss, and if stop loss is not hit or nothing has happened, then exit the trade at 315, 320 in the later half when the market closes. So these are the 3 calls for tomorrow: Bajaj Finance, Havels, and Tata Chemicals, friends. Thank you. Okay, now before ending, I'm so sorry, before ending I would like to see India VIX also, and let's see how it is performing. India VIX again closed below 20 today. It closed at 1932. So it was a slight movement up on the upward direction, but till the moment it's below 20, we can see that there is no fear in the market. So that's it, friends, for today. I hope you like it. I will come back again tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.